Okay, this is the review exercise 4. We're going to do this today. So maybe from number 1, expand each of the 4 expressions. So if you have something like this, like a number, a variable in front of a bracket, you just multiply, you just expand, you just times in. So negative 2a times a, and then negative 2a times negative 5b, and then negative 2a times positive 7. Okay, for the one that have bracket, 2 brackets here, so you just times 1 by 1, so 2c times 3c first, and 2c times 4d, and then 3d times 3c, and then 3d times 4d. Yeah, for this one of d, almost same thing. So 2m times m squared, 2m times 3m, 2m times negative 1, and then we are done with the 2m. Now is the this positive 1's turn. So positive 1 times m squared, positive 1 times 3m, positive 1 times negative 1. Yeah, that's all. And then after that, don't forget to combine all the like terms. So simplify. Well, actually, the question didn't require you to simplify, but let's just simplify that. So expand and simplify. Yeah. Now this one, they actually ask you to expand and simplify. Almost same thing. This one also have 2 brackets, but yeah, this one times in first, and then the negative q also times into here, and then combine all the like terms. Okay, now into the factorization. Okay, so you need to find what number times what number equals negative 63, and then what number plus what number equals 2, right? Look at how we do the factorization again. Okay, for this one, you have 2 in front of x squared, right? So the way you do it, is you times it to the back first, remember, and then that thing that that the 2 comes back with the 3 rocket thingy that I showed in the video. So yeah, refer back to the video. Okay, I think I'm not going to ask you to do this. How about this one? Factorize now. These are both factorization, but the way you do this is kind of different. You use this by using that formula, the a square minus b square equals a plus b times a minus b, which means you have to turn this into a square number. So this one is 1 square, 121 is 11 square. So you root both of them, and you do the 2 brackets, a plus b, a minus b thingy. Again, you have to refer back to the previous videos to do this. Yeah, I'm just gonna tell you briefly here, so have like kind of like have a bit of like clue how to do this, like the overview. Factorize each of the following expression. Now for this one, it is also factorization. So if you remember, I told you there are 3 forms of factorization. First, this one where you put bracket. This one, where you need to find what times what equals the back one. What's the last one? What times what equals what plus what equals the middle. For this one, you change it to you root both of them. Now for this one is the one that you just pull out the factor. So 14 and 21 can both divided by 7, and xy and y squared can both be divided by y. So you can pull out 7y. 7y pull out. This one divided by 7y, this one divided by 7y. Remember? Okay. Same thing here. This one, yeah. Yeah, this one also. Without using a calculator, evaluate each of the following. So without using a calculator, you have to change this into a form of like something minus something, right? So you gotta use the same formula as this one. So you change it into a form of like, yeah, wait, yeah, oh, well, this one actually a square minus b square, yeah. Yeah, this one change to actually this one change to 900 minus 1 bracket in a square. So you gotta do it like this, like that formula. Which one again? Like this one. Yeah, change it to this one. So again it was 899 square, right? So become 900 minus 1 square, become this. So change it to this. You can calculate it. This one, yeah. For this one, a square minus b square, change it to from here to become here. Okay. Okay, for this one, number 7, you factorize it by using that method, the factorization by grouping. You see there are 4 terms here, right? So you pull out something from the first 2 terms and something again from the last 2 terms, and you end up with the same thing in the bracket. And then you just write the bracket again one time and group this one on the outside one, x plus ky, together in one bracket. So you're gonna do the same thing here. So from x3 and x square you can pull out x square thing, and from 4 minus 4x and minus 4 you can pull out minus 4. Yeah, try that. So you're gonna be doing number 1, 2, yeah, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 9 is exactly the same as exactly the same as this one. Work example 12. In the textbook it is page 106. So they give you the value of x, y, right? Here you expand the x plus y square. So we have 2xy there, see? So you can make use of that xy equals negative 120. See how they put it into the equation? So here you also do the same thing. So 2 you move first here. You move her become 116 divided by 2 first. So x minus y squared will become 58, right? And then you expand the minus y squared, x minus y squared, like this. X minus y squared become x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Yeah, and then you will have xy here, right? That's when you need this one, 24, to find this. Okay, so I've given you all the clue, the hints. So good luck on doing this.